Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel any order you've made on Temu. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step on how to cancel any order you've made on a Temu application. The first step that you want to take is actually opening up your preferred browser. Go to the Temu website and sign into your existing account right here. Now let's say you just purchased something, or your daughter or son purchased anything, and you made a mistake and you want to cancel the order to get a full refund. Now the first step is to go to the orders and account right here. Now inside the orders and account you see all the given orders that you've just recently made. Now let's say it's this one. It's the planks right here, and I want to cancel this order. Now make sure that it hasn't been shipped yet, otherwise you need to return it or refund it. Now that could be a hassle, so we want to be upfront and cancel it right away. Now the first step is to locate the order. From there go down and cancel the items right here, as you can see. From there we cancel it. Now here you go to a little prompt that says keep the order or cancel the order. We want to cancel the order, and as you can see we need to select the order that we want to cancel. Now let's say it's only one of the many items you want to cancel. Simply select the items, go to cancel checked items, and here you can select a reason. Order created by mistake. My son ordered this item. And from there go to next. Here select a refund method in the Temu credit balance or the original payment method. Now I would recommend you to do this, otherwise you need to do it again and have your funds taken out of the Temu website. Now as you can see, it takes a couple of days before it is actually inside of your account, but don't worry, it will get there. Here you have the full amount refunded with the VAT taxes included. Simply submit. Here submit the refund method once again. Submit. Press confirm. And the cancellation can't be undone, so double check it. Yes, cancel the items. And that's about it. Now my refund is being processed, and this takes a couple of minutes. But after these minutes, the process of the refunding of your money will start. And as you can see, it worked for me. Now if you still get any other questions, or if this tutorial helped you, leave a like. Subscribe if this content helped you, and thanks for watching.